let's talk about the number one sign that happens to every single person that is on the journey. It doesn't happen to some, it doesn't happen to most, it happens to all 100%. And that is a full collapse of the identity. The ego death and dark night of the soul is the hardest point on the journey, but this is a necessity to the journey. Without doubt, you will go through this, and this is what feels so incredibly painful. You will know when you are going through it because nothing in your world will make sense anymore. You will struggle to get through the day. And I say this because so many people just see the pink fluffy stuff and the romantic stuff and hear people talking about the twin flame journey of they feel like home. You have the most amazing love together and the most amazing connection. And yes, you do. But once that energy is built, from going from that oneness frequency where you could stay up all night long talking till sunrise to sunset, and you were sharing things that you have never shared with anybody before. The chemistry was off the scale. But now, and you probably will have felt that energetic wall coming up. You'll have felt that pullback from divine masculine. Even if they were still around, you'll have still felt that energetic wall. It's an invisible wall of energy that comes up. And this wall is what catapults you onto the journey. I mean, you've been on the journey for lifetimes, but because remember, you're one energetic system. So in previous lifetimes, you've come down as one incarnation. But in this lifetime, you are in two incarnations. So there is the polarity, the duality there. And often people will say to me, why does that happen though, Kat? And the reason why is because in that polarity, duality, you go through a very rapid awakening. We are going through the biggest awakening that we have ever seen. And you'll have heard me talk about the different waves of twins, i.e. the first wave, they came in to break open the matrix. The second wavers were all about collapsing that ego and really starting to open it up to all possibilities. The third wavers, and you will know if you were a third waver because it was round about the COVID, give or take. You were the heart activation. You were anchoring that love vibration into the grids, into the Earth's grids. Now where we're at, and the fourth wavers, you will know if you're a fourth waver. 2024 energy, you were very, very rapid on the journey. Fourth wavers blow my mind all the time, how rapid their journey is. But now where we're at, it is one heartbeat working as this one beautiful vibration. Why? Because now we are fully embodying that Sophia Christ conscious frequency on the planet. And so twins go through this awakening that is rapid, and you are feeling it now. You will feel like you are in the ocean sometimes, and you are going with those waves and they're knocking you down, and you are going through it again and again as those oscillations rise, each oscillation taking you deeper into that inner wisdom, each of those oscillations dissipating out those core wounds that come up. Abandonment, fear, lack, betrayal, the need for validation, the reason why you're endlessly searching for information, psychics, tarot, relationship, plant medicine, anything, astrology, searching for anything that will give you the answer. when really the answer is not outside of the self, the answer is within. You must create inner union before any outer union can happen. But the collapse of the ego is what every single twin will go through. And this is the hardest part. This is when everything is starting to slip away. Friends will disappear. Relationships will disappear. Your job now won't have the same ring. You know, if you were just doing a job to just, make money, now you will feel this calling. And yes, of course, you still need that job. You still need to pay your bills, but you'll feel a deeper calling to get into more that creative aspect. You'll feel a calling to want to be in service, to help others. You'll have had this vibration, this calling. It will have been in you throughout your whole life. You will have known that you were here for something a little bit bigger than what you're doing now. And it will have vibrated, simmered within you. Whereas now, your soul is calling you into full alignment. And that's what happens on the journey. Whenever you stay in mind and ego, because there is a collapse of the mind and ego, it's chaos. It will deregulate your whole nervous system. What you will know that once you get into soul alignment, and what feeds soul alignment? Meditation, speaking your truth, coming into your truth, coming into your creative aspect, being in service, being in nature, really being aware and observing that nervous system. When you're in alignment with that, your nervous system starts to calm. You start to come into that peaceful energy. But there will be points where either divine masculine activates in the physical, they'll physically come in, or they will come in energetically. And this is then when you're going through the oscillations, and the oscillations is where you'll be triggered with all those core wounds that I talked about. Those core wounds are there because you are now shifting into a higher state of consciousness. So my message is, yes, 100%, the collapse of the identity and ego. Let me tell you this, both twins, your lives will never be the same again. Once you are activated onto the journey, you are now learning how to fully embody that one shared frequency. This is not easy to do in the 3D. And so you will be triggered by them. They are the signposts, though. Those triggers, don't run from those triggers. When those triggers come, allow them to come, because they are the signpost and they are taking you closer into inner union. When you align in fully inner union, it then allows divine masculine to go through their full collapse of the identity. Before that, they are aware of it and it is subtly moving through them, but they haven't gone through the full collapse. Once you come into that inner union, it allows them to go through a very rapid awakening and the collapse of their identity and ego. Because twins can only hold the frequency when they're in that beautiful, sacred, divine, pure Christ conscious frequency. This is the connection to Sophia Christ conscious frequency. And your soul has brought in your soul so you can fully awaken. If you are endlessly searching, if you are feeling in pain, if you are feeling lost, if you are feeling confused, if your nervous system feels like it is deregulating all over the place, then my website is there. My website has loads of information on to support you on the journey. My website is the 3Ws catsacredsoul.com. It's there to support you so you get out of the chaos, you regulate your nervous system, you stop the endless searching, you shift out of pain, you come into inner union, and you start to tap into that abundant Christ conscious frequency. When you start to tap into that, that's when the journey becomes magical. That's when the journey starts to really change and you start to step in to that full embodiment of the divine, sacred feminine energy.